Hello, welcome back to my channel. Liz here. Today's video is a project share slash a quick tutorial of a Christmas banner that I am making that will hang up across the front of my fireplace. I actually made this, began making it 4 or 5 days ago, and then I got really busy at work, and then I was thinking about actually putting it up at work, so then I was gonna let the kids finish putting it together, and I didn't, and so then I decided I'm going to turn it into this video. So you guys get a little look inside my brain for a minute. All right, so here is the banner, well, the pieces to the banner. When it is all put together, it will say Merry Christmas. So I made this using my Cricut. I will insert screenshots here with a quick step-by-step process on how I put this together. All right, so you're gonna come in to Design Space. I just went to the Shapes folder. I used a pentagon, boop boop, and I used a square. Just come back over here. I took them, I lined my square up with the bottoms of the pentagon. Actually, sorry, I forgot I made it a little pointier. Then we lined this up. We took the entire shape and we welded it. And just like that, you have a banner. And then I just duplicated it and changed the color. I did this all on my app. I rarely use. So I'm having a brain fart. But shrink it down. I was going to change the color on it so that you get them aligned to the same size, or the size that you want them. And then you can cut, as you can see with my two shapes. Here's my second one. And then I actually wound up adjusting, because when I originally cut this design that I have, they did not, it's not that they didn't line up right, it's that the inside was way too small. Alright, so yeah, really simple. And then just click on Make It. It's going to sort your pattern into your mats, and it's going to cut it. Merry Christmas is 14 letters long, so you just go in here to Copies, type 14, hit Apply, and it's going to repeat it out for you. Of course, this is not the exact design I would cut because this is too many versions of it, but you get the idea. All right, so as you saw, that was pretty easy. Taking a square and a triangle, not a square and a triangle. Taking a square and a pentagon and just basically smacking them together, and it was super duper simple. Then yeah, just making one smaller than the other, picking out whatever font you want. Yeah. Right, so now I'm going to take this and we're just gonna piece it together and string it up, and I will have a banner. I am putting my entire banner together using double-sided tape. I have so many rolls of double-sided tape because I order them from AliExpress, and I order them on Amazon. I will put links in the description down below to the tapes that I buy. You get them actually for a relatively good price, and you get like 6 rolls of them at a time. It's fantastic. Way better than buying it at a craft store. So I'm just going to stick the tape all the way around the edges, and then I'm going to do 1 strip down the center. All right. I skipped that. Okay. All right, and then I just want these centered on here. All right. Oh my goodness, I'm so proud of this. It's so cute. Okay, for the letters, I'm not taping them all the way down. My husband and I don't have kids. We don't have any small children or anything that's going to be running by these or damaging these or doing anything to these. So I'm not concerned with the letters being perfectly taped down. Especially considering that this is something that is extremely simple to make. That if it does unfortunately get damaged in any way, shape, or form, I'm not going to be overly concerned. Oop. Oh, so cute. I'm so proud of it. Oh my goodness. I was literally just like, it just popped into my head and I was like, I want a banner. And then I walked into Joann's to go look at some paper because I just don't have a ton of Christmas paper, and the paper pads I do have, of course, only have like 1 or 2 sheets of each design, so then that makes it very, very difficult to make something this large. This required me to use 4 sheets of paper for the design. So I had to go get something. Oh, I messed it up. Messed up my tape. That's okay. And as you can see, I'm doing this one backwards this time. Well, at least not backwards, but top to bottom. Let's move that so it's not distracting me. There we go. It has been pouring here in Seattle the last couple of days. We've actually been underneath a flood warning, which is crazy because, you know, people joke a lot about, oh, you're in the Pacific Northwest, you get so much rain. But we really don't get a lot. We get a lot of days of rain, but we don't get a lot of rain itself because we get a lot of mist. And we just get a lot of like grayness. These last few days, we have broken some serious records. There has been some serious rain that has been dumped on us. And it is crazy. It just makes you not want to do anything when it's this gray and this wet. It's no fun. So, should do more lives. Alright. We will then take this one. Oh. Alright, and then we're going to do the same thing for all of these. There are a total of, let me move all these out of the way. There are a total of 14 letters in Merry Christmas. I am not going to sit here and make you watch me do all 14. As much fun as that would be much better left for like a live chat and craft with me type situation. So I'm gonna slap all of these together, and then I will be right back, and we will put the entire banner together. All right? Oof. All right, so as I was putting these together and digging through a box sitting next to me, I completely forgot that I had some craft bond. Sorry. Completely forgot I had some Elmer's Craft Bond glue. This stuff is amazing, and it comes with these little precision tips. I will put a link to this in the description box down below as well, and it just makes it so much easier to attach all of this. Because as much as I love my double-sided sticky tape, it can be very time-consuming to be using double-sided sticky tape all the time. So this just goes on so nicely. You can be right in the edges. Get nice, concise lines. Dries clear. You can move your paper around quite nicely. And because it's so thin, or you're applying such thin layers, you don't get any wet glue marks, which I love. Because you know how sometimes when you use wet glue, you get these little marks underneath paper because these pieces here are very, very thin. Just like 60, I think it's like 60. I don't know, it's really, really thin paper. And these leave no glue marks. Love it, fantastic. Okay, so now that I have everything glued together, we've got the N-E-R-R-Y and the C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S of Christmas. I grabbed my handy dandy hole punch here from the Dollar Tree, and I put holes in it. So in order to make sure that my holes were all in the exact same spot for every single one, this will do, these will do 3 pieces at the exact same time. So I did 3 pieces, and then I just grabbed one and I stacked them up. Boop, went into the hole, boom, and then continued the process until I knocked out all of them. Okay, and then I am going to use this. This is actually from IKEA. It is this awesome red and white twine. And that is what I am putting my Merry Christmas on. I was going to do it on this green ribbon right here, but I didn't have enough of it to be able to do Christmas. I had more than enough to be able to do Merry, but not enough to do Christmas. So I went and looked at rummaging through my ribbon bin, and I saw this, and oh yes, this is perfect. So you're just gonna string it through. And then you want to give each letter just a couple inches, not too much room in between, so that they hang nicely. Have to pull out a bit here because we gotta get on the whole word. Okay. Alright. I don't like how twisted that all is, but there we go. Alright, perfect. Alright, and so we're going to string all of these along. Don't forget, or if you don't know, I am currently doing a giveaway for having 500 subscribers. Thank you guys very, very much. I will post a link to the video down in the description box, and I'll also put a little card up here. Probably throw it at the end of this video also. But yeah, so if you just check that out, it has all the details. Oops, I did that backwards. About the giveaway. It lasts until January 15th. So you've got quite a bit of time. Okay, there we go. But yeah, just, I'm doing, what am I, mind blank. Okay, so for the giveaway, I'm giving away a Simon Says Stamp Crafty parcel box, as well as just kind of like a bunch of de-stash items from my craft room that I just don't really use. It's a bunch of different Maggie Home stuff, and then also this mini album that I created is part of that as well. Alright, so here's this. Also, if you have been watching my Vlogmas videos, I do not think I will be posting any more of those. It was enjoyable while I did them, but my life is pretty boring and I'm just not a vlogger. It's not something I'm overly interested in doing. It seemed like fun in the beginning, and now I'm just like over it. I just want to do my crafty videos and just post crafty videos. I will leave the vlogs to the vloggers, and I will just talk more in my crafty videos. Alright, I'm gonna do the same thing with Christmas. Alright, and now we're here. We have my banner. Yay, it's so pretty, guys. I'm so excited. I am going to go take this upstairs and go hang it up on my fireplace. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit the little bell thingy so that you know when I post my videos. And until next time, have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.